everybody, it's Linda. It's been a while since I've made a video, but I haven't done much shopping the last few months. I did do 2 day trips to the States, one in July and one this weekend. I didn't get much, and I apologize. I probably put away a few of the earlier trip items. Not that I got a lot of craft stuff from there. But yeah, because I've got to the point where some other crafters know this feeling where I don't need to buy anything else. I need to use up what I have. So I haven't bought much. But let me show you what I did get. So I finished my trivia card collection from the States. We have Seinfeld, The Office, and Friends. So that would be fun to just look at and see how much I don't remember. I'm pretty sure I got this in Canada. Wheel of Fortune jumbo cards and Jeopardy jumbo cards. I haven't even opened them. There's no French on here at all. That's why I was confused. I'm pretty sure these weren't from our July trip. I'm pretty sure these were Canada. So, got that. Maggie found, remember like 2 years ago when I said, oh my gosh, it looks like the Americans have dies now at their Dollar Tree. And they had 4 patterns. And up here in Canada, we finally got 2 of the patterns. Well, here are the other 2. They finally showed up. Leaves and hearts. Maggie found these for me, so she picked them up right away because she happened to be at Dollar Tree and found them. So yay, I now have all 4 of the patterns. And I found this. These are like large clips, like paper clips, old-fashioned-y. I think of them as old-fashioned paper clips. Some sequins and wooden leaves. Like a rose gold color. It's just called an Embellishment Kit. So I thought that was kind of neat. And also to go with it, there's, they call this just stationery. The company is 1-2 Canoe. So there's 24 photo corners, rose gold color. And then there are these like cards and labels. They're on the thicker side. So that was pretty neat. And this shows you what it is. And these 2 things I found at the Whippy store. And also at the Whippy store, hang on, I just moved it for a second, was paper. These are, again, by the 1-2 Canoe. This is Willow Happy Home. So I just thought those were neat cut apart. So I'll cut those apart and add them to my stash, because I might even be able to add them into my next video. I'm going to show you what I worked on all summer, because I've hardly done any crafting this summer. And what little I did, I worked on these 3 journals. So you'll see what I'm yammering about in my next video. And then this one is by 1-2 Canoe, Twilight. Feels like home. So I thought these cut aparts were kind of neat. So for $1.50 each. A bit pricey for a piece of paper, but yeah, I thought it was fine. And then I found 2 of the calendars. But this is more for, I don't know what I'm going to do with them. It'll just go, I think I have one of the other farmers market calendars from another year, maybe even for 2022 or 2021. I think it was for 2022. I'm just kind of collecting them for now, and I'll see if I decide to either take them apart and frame them or pass them along or whatever. So this is the designs on here, and they all seem to have like a wooden background. So that was kind of cute. Most of you have probably seen these before. And then the farmer's market. And here are the patterns here. So pretty neat. They're cute. They would look nice in a frame, because they do sell 12 by 12 frames in Dollar Tree. And I also picked up, sorry, it was on the floor, 2 more magnetic sheets. I just like to have a bunch on hand, so I slowly add to it whenever I go. And also, I picked up 2 more magnifying sheets. So I have one that I have here in the house that I cleaned up, because I was trying to use it. For the purpose I bought it for, it didn't work. So I just kept it, and might have got a bit dirty. So I cleaned it up. Now, I believe it was Dawn from Mad Paper Crush. I see some scratches on it. Dawn from Mad Paper Crush, I believe it was her. She made these cards, like like a card that maybe is the size of like, sorry, taking too long to explain this. Maybe it's a card like this, okay, this size, and she has like a hole, and in the hole, she puts a piece of the magnifier and encases it like you would a shaker card, right? And then it becomes like a magnifier card. You know how some companies give those away? And I just thought, what a great idea. And I was even thinking like making like a bookmark, a long one out of one. And you could, like, depending on the size of the bookmark, you can make it at the whole length, or you can make it like a little part at the end. Like, anyway, you have to, if I can find the video, I will put it in my description box, because I just thought, what a great idea. So anyway, that's what those are for. Like, what a great addition to a journal, or even your purse, like, you know, for us old people who can't see anymore. Oh, and Maggie also gave me her diamond sugar dust. We went crazy not crazy, but we were trying to find these for a long time. We finally did. And I haven't even used mine yet either. And she was decluttering her craft room, so she gave me hers, which is very nice. And if I end up not using hers, or even my own, I would pass this along to another crafter, like a Happy Mail. Like, I wouldn't sell it. But yeah, I have to use it and see how I like it. So the States. Here's a few things I got. I guess these are what I got at the Dollar Tree, craft-wise. Oh yeah, fabric. I have to go grab that. I just put it away. These stickers. Thanksgiving-y, autumn-y stickers. Aren't those adorable? I don't remember. I don't know if I've ever seen those up here. And pumpkins. Right? Isn't that cute? I'll just hang on one second. I just, well, this is from the States. So, sorry, those stickers, those two stickers I just showed you were from US Dollar Tree. And so is this. I got two of these. Food farmhousey fabrics. I don't think I have this one. Like, I don't think we've seen these ones. So anyway, I bought those two. Now, let me see. US, okay, Tuesday morning. Hang on, here's something. Oh, we're all good. We're all good. Okay. So at Tuesday morning, for $8 US, got this wax seal kit. So it comes with, it's like a, rose gold color, right? Pink and gold. And you get a handle, and you get two, I'll just show these. Two of the seals. So you get a flower, right? You get that. And you get a rose. Oops, sorry. A rose. And it never hurts to have an extra handle, and they just screw in. And I have a big box that I keep all my wax seal stuff in, so I'll be putting that in there. So I thought for $8, that's good, and you can always use extra handles. So also this is my third time going to this Tuesday morning, and they have more and more, not that much, but they have more and more craft items. For example, Maggie and I looked at something, but neither of us were interested in it. And you might think I'm crazy for not buying it, but I just really had no interest in it. It was one of those crocodile corner chompers, and it did the pattern. One side did cloud and the other did scallop. $16.99 US. Now, excuse me, I don't even think I've ever seen that one for sale in Canada, but you can imagine, I did not look it up, but you can imagine how much more expensive that is up here. But I looked at it and thought, well, I don't really want it. So we left it behind. And they also had the regular crocodile, and I have to say I did not notice the price. It was probably the same price, the one that does the eyelets and the holes. So, but I have that, so that's why I ignored it. But anyway, I did find some dies. So I got this. This was $7.99 US, a card mat cutting template. So it just cuts out, right, the picture, and then I guess you would just back it with your whatever color you want to show through. So just like on here, see how it's, right? I thought that's really cute. And to add to my shapes collection, framelits, you get 8 squares for $9.99. A bit pricey, but still. These range from 1 1/4 inch to 4 1/4 inch in size. So that was pretty neat, because I have triangles and hexagons, and I'll probably be buying circles, maybe even ovals one day. Not a rush, but you know, I like to add to the shape collection. Now, the other thing I bought were 3 3D embossing folders. So I got, this one is called Paisley. So this is Paisley. And it's just more of an intense embossing than, I don't know why it's called 3D, but it's just more intense than a regular embossing folder, I guess. And it's thicker, and overall it's thicker. So I got the Paisley shape, pretty cool. And then, I don't know why, I probably shouldn't have bothered. I thought it was more leaves, but they call this, get this, they call this Swiss cheese. So, Swiss cheese. And it's just circles with some other shapes, more like, they look like leaves to me, in there. So, I got that one. And then the third one I got was, they called it folk art. So that's the design. And they have the artist there. I guess Jessica Scott did that. And these were all $3.99. And if you can see how detailed that is, and it's on the both sides. Maybe that's, I don't know. I guess it's just more detail and more deep. Some of the the cuts. Excuse me. So those were $3.99. So and they did have some others, but I just decided on those 3. And at Joann's, all I bought, we did not go to Michael's. I did not go into Hobby Lobby. And yeah, just the Tuesday morning and a few things at Dollar Tree. And then this was Joann's. So these are Tim Holtz Ephemera Pack Memoir. So if you can see that picture. So these are just, you know, the nice, like, just ephemera. Just bits and pieces, different, like, cards, little tiny things, right? I'm not going to show you every single thing. There's even some rulers on here. Like, I have at least 3, 4 rulers, or yardsticks, mini yardsticks. Anyway, so there's that one. And then there's, I won't open these 2. It's a bit of a mess right now. Halloween, and it's called Layers. So that's what the package at the front looks like. And at the back, curated collection of salvaged elements used for layering. So if you can see all those. Now, I think I'm not sure. I did not bring, darn it, I forgot my receipt. These were around anywhere from like $6 to $8. And I think one of them I got a discount. One, like whatever. I didn't really care. Transparency's Halloween. So that's what it looks like. And then you don't get a lot. Transparent wings and elements that can be added to vignettes or paper dolls for Halloween mixed media projects. So it shows you there what you get. So you do get a bunch of bat wings, a sign, and a few other little things. So that's probably the one I got the discount on. Anyway, so that's it. I haven't done much shopping, and I haven't done much crafting. I'm even afraid to take myself into a thrift store because I might buy stuff and then I have too much. Like, you know, I have a gazillion beads, like I need to make more dangles. But things like that, I would be okay with doing an assembly line, but I need to lay everything out and spend an afternoon just making dangles, right? And then in the future I can come along and put dangles together and make more chunky charms. Anyway, I was just afraid if I go to a store like that, I'll find a ton of jewelry that I can take apart. And I still have a ton of jewelry here that I need to use in projects, right? The bottom line is I'm at the point where I don't really need more stuff. I know I splurged and got some of this stuff. I think I was even buying it because I was in the States, right? It doesn't hurt to have more embossing folders and dies if I know I will use them. So anyway, I'm trying to limit myself and I'm being good. So in my next video, I'll show you the projects. It's 3 journals I've been working on at the same time, and that's basically all I've been doing for the last few months. I'm pretty much done. That's why I'm just going to make the video now. I have the problem of I finally get a chance to sit down and craft, and then I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what more I can do to these journals, what more I can add. I just draw blanks. So I'm very bad that way. Anyway, so that's my video for now, and I hope you guys like it. And yes, I'll have to find that video of using the magnifying sheets, because it was really neat. Like, it's a great idea. So I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.